Hi, I'm Willie. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if this is your first time here, please click subscribe and hit that little bell notification icon. That way you'll be notified when I release new content. So I don't know if you can hear it. It sounds a little tinny. We are in my new office and I got my new desk today. I'm super excited about that. You want to see why I'm excited about that? Give me just a second and I'll show you. My desk for my new office is a stand-up desk. This is an access point we're going to look at in an upcoming video soon, here in the next week or so. But my desk is fully adjustable, so if I want to raise it and stand, I want to lower it. Most of the times, I will tell you, most of the time I am going to stand. Won't have it quite that high, but I will... I'll show you the desk because I'm really excited about the desk. And I just wanted to give you this update. The whiteboard is supposed to be here next week, so the office is not going to look like this because it'll have to change. But it's a huge improvement from where I was working. So hold on just a second. But I'll leave a link to this desk because I'm really digging this desk. Now it is manual. But I didn't pay a whole lot of money for this either. So it took me about 10 minutes to put it together. And I am super duper happy with this desk. So like I said, it only took about 10 minutes to put it together, 5-10 minutes, somewhere in there. And it's got a really nice heavy top, but I can stand up or I can sit down. I got my pad of paper over here with my Axis pen, and then we got this MikroTik AP. But this is where I'm going to be doing all of my filming and all of my work. But like I said, I think the whiteboard's going to have to go back there and we're going to have to turn the desk. But just wanted to give you a little update. People have been asking, you know, how it's going, and so this is how it's going. Super duper excited about this desk, and I'll leave a link to this desk. I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link down below. I did buy it off Amazon. Didn't know the company was only 35 miles from me, so it actually showed up overnight. Wasn't supposed to be here. If you were anywhere else in the country, it would have been Monday. Literally showed up today. So it was absolutely fantastic. But there will be more videos. I'm going to redo my channel trailer video because the videos are going to come out during the week, but probably not Tuesday, Thursday. They're going to be different days, different topics, different times, but still going to try to get a couple of those videos out every week. So I will be working on a couple other videos. We've got to do the FOSCAM human detection. There's a couple other subnetting videos we've got to get out, but as soon as the whiteboard gets here, I'll be working on that subnetting video. So, and I've got so many videos. We've got a lot of Cambium videos, a lot of LEGO Wave videos, a lot of Grandstream. I cannot wait to tell you about Grandstream and show you their new phones. They are fantastic. I've got some news coming out about that. I've got MikroTik. We got all kinds of switches, all kinds of good stuff coming out. But just wanted to give you this quick update, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe, comment, share. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. If you need consulting, go down to williehowe.com, fill out that contact form. Someone will be in touch with you as soon as possible. If we can't help you, we'll get you to someone who can. If you want to talk to us on Discord, the link is down below. And I'm thinking about getting rid of the Discord and going to a different type of forum, so let me know what you think about that. If you would like to become a patron, and thank you to those folks, the Patreon link is down below, and all the Amazon links are down below. They don't change your price, but they kick a couple bucks over to the channel. Once again, I'm Willie. Thank you for being here, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.